Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green tea extract. Begin by gathering loose green tea, filtered water, a scale, saucepan, and a fine mesh strainer. Measure tea to water at a 1:5 ratio and use room temperature water to prevent bitterness. Stay mindful of caffeine content and avoid use if you have sensitivity. Clean equipment thoroughly and plan small batches to test strength before scaling up. After preparing supplies, heat water to 70 degrees C to 80 degrees C, not boiling, then pour over measured green tea and steep for 6 to 8 minutes. Stir gently, then strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth into a clean container. Press solids lightly to recover liquid, but avoid squeezing too hard to limit bitter compounds. Cool the liquid quickly to room temperature, then proceed to concentration or preservation steps based on desired strength. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum has voice control and smart maps, so it can tidy kitchen crumbs while you concentrate on tea work, which is a hilarious productivity win. It makes cleanup effortless and gives you more time for experiments. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To concentrate, simmer the strained tea gently until the volume reduces to the desired strength, keeping heat low to prevent degradation. If you prefer alcohol or glycerin extracts, combine the cooled tea with 40% alcohol or vegetable glycerin in a clean jar and let steep for 2 to 4 weeks, shaking daily. Refrigerate finished extract in glass jars, label with date and concentration, and use within recommended storage times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.